Hello everybody, what's up? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Welcome back to uh, DAR token price prediction video. Guys, in this video I'm talking about DAR token, that what's going on in the DAR token. First of all, I want to congratulate everybody, guys, because as you can see here, that's already a surprise news for all of you guys that the price of DAR token pumped 45%. 45% the price of DAR token increase. Mines of Dalarina increase 45% just in last 24 hours. So it's going crazy, guys. It's really a profit time. Everybody can easily understand that we have to buy DAR token and make a huge profit. Just if you hold this for short time, just for 2 or 3 days, so I believe, guys, that you get a profit. If some cent the price of DAR if increase, so you get profit, guys. So if especially for a new investor, those people who want to invest in a crypto, I think DAR token is also a best opportunity for investment, guys. Anyways, guys, if you don't subscribe our channel, so kindly click the subscribe button right now for more update and news videos. So guys, as I told you that it's good for new investor, as you can see here, the trading volume is about 324% increase just in last 24 hours. 324% increase in 24 hours. So that's mean that a lot of people are investing in a DAR token for a long time, guys. Trading volume is going highly, so absolutely if the trading volume increase, so as a result the price will also increase, guys. So don't worry, guys, just hold for long time, buy more and more DAR token. Hope it will give you profit, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe channel.